Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can verify your Instagram account. You will learn how to apply for Instagram verification even if you don't have much followings like the public figures and celebrities. So guys, if you want to know how to do it, make sure you follow me to the end of this video. And also if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment, as that will tremendously help grow our YouTube channel. So guys, the first step to take is to open your Instagram app. You have to tap on your Instagram app to open it. So let me tap on my Instagram app. Guys, before I show you how you can actually request and apply for Instagram verification, I would like to show you what Instagram verification looks like. Verified accounts on Instagram have blue check marks next to their names to show that Instagram has confirmed they are the real presence of the public figure, celebrities and brands they represent. So guys, let me scroll through the homepage of my Instagram account to see if I can find a verified account. Let me just keep scrolling upwards. So guys, you can see here, this is Samsung Nigeria. You can see that blue check mark there. You can see the arrow is pointing at it. You can see that blue check mark indicates that Instagram account is verified. So that account is verified. So any account that you see that blue check mark, just know that account is actually verified on Instagram. So guys, let me go ahead now to show you how you can actually request and apply for verification on your Instagram account. So guys, the first step that you have to take now is to tap on your Instagram profile icon. You can see there at the bottom right corner, you can see the arrow pointing at it below. So let me tap on it. So guys, the next step now to take now is to tap on the three horizontal bar at the top right corner. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, here now what you have to tap on is on the first option. You can see there settings and privacy. The arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, under the settings and privacy, what you have to do now is to scroll downwards. So let me scroll downwards. Let me keep scrolling downwards. Let me keep scrolling downwards. So guys, now you're going to see where it is written for professionals, account type and tools. What you have to do now is to tap on where it is written account type and tools. So let me tap on it. You can see where the arrow is pointing at. So let me tap on it. So guys, under the account type and tools, we have two sections here. The upper one, which is account type, the lower one, which is tools. So what you have to do is to look at the lower one, which is tools. Under the tools, you're going to see two options: branded content and request verification. What you have to do now is to tap on request verification. You can see there, that's the last option. The arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, you can see this is where you're going to actually do the magic of applying for verification on Instagram. You can see what is written there: apply for Instagram verification. Verified accounts have blue ticks next to their names to show that Instagram has confirmed they are the real presence of the public figures, celebrities and the brand they represent. So guys, let me go ahead to take you through the steps that you need to follow for you to get your Instagram account verified. So guys, you can see step 1, they say confirm authenticity. Under this confirm authenticity, what they want you to do is to confirm yourself, to identify yourself. You can see what is written there: add 1 or 2 identification documents for yourself or your business. So guys, I believe you know examples of identification documents. Identification documents include your national ID card, your international passport, your driver's license and so on. So guys, what you have to do next now is to fill in your name. You can see where it is written full name. You just tap on it, then you fill in your name. Let me fill in my name. You can see my name, Chukwemeka Emmanuel. You can see over there the root document type. What you have to do is to tap on it. So let me tap on it. So guys, can see here, they say select a document type. The first option is driver's license. The second one is passport, which is your international passport. The third one is national identification card. The fourth one is tax filing, in case you're paying a direct tax, maybe you have a company. The fifth one is recent utility bill, which can be your NEPA bill, your power bill and your water bill. Let me scroll downwards. You can see the last one, articles of incorporation. That's for business people. So guys, what you have to do now is to choose a particular one. So let me choose the first option, which is driver's license. Let me tap on it. So guys, you can see driver's license has been selected. So what you have to do now is to tap on where it is written add file. You can see the arrow pointing at it. You're going to tap on it so that you're going to upload the picture or the image of your driver's license. So let me tap on it. So guys, you can see what is written here: upload a photo, choose to take a picture or open one from your phone. So guys, what you have to do now is to go over to our phone gallery, and for you to do that, you have to tap on where it is written open a photo. So let me tap on it. So guys, I'm on my phone gallery now. Let me go ahead to select my image. So guys, after you've uploaded your file, after you've written your name, what you have to do is to scroll downwards. You're going to see where it is written step 2, confirm notability. Show that a public figure, celebrity or brand your account represents is in the public interest. So for you to do that, you have to first of all choose your category. You're going to see where it is written category. You can see the arrow pointing at it. You tap on it. So guys, here you have to choose your category, your niche. If you're into sports, if you're into government and politics, if you're into entertainment, comedy, if you're into music, if you're a digital creator, if you're a blogger, influencer, just choose your niche. So let me go for digital creator, bloggers and influencer. So let me tap on it. So guys, the next one, you're required to choose your country and region. You can see there, you can see where the arrow is pointing at. So let me tap on it. So I choose my country. You can see what is written here. Where is the person or organization your account represents most popular? So guys, what you have to do is to search the country that you're most popular in. Of course, you're going to be more popular in your country. So let me search my country. My country is Nigeria. So let me tap on Nigeria. So guys, you can see now Nigeria has been selected. So let's scroll downwards now. You can see the next one. They say audience. You can see what is written there. Describe the people who follow your account. Include who they are, what they are interested in, and why they follow you. And they actually say that it's optional. If you want to fill it, you can go ahead to fill it. But in this tutorial today, I'm going to be leaving it out. Guys, let's say for example, you're a comedian, you make comedy, you make skit online. What you have to fill there is that the audience that actually watch your videos are interested in comedy, they're interested in entertainment. So that's what you're going to write them. Let's go to the next one. You can see what is written there, also known as. So they want to know what you're also known as in your vicinity. You can see it's also optional. Let's read what is written down there. They said list all the names the person or organization your account represents is known by. That means all the name that you're known by. Let's say for instance you're a comedian and your comedy name is Comedy Peter. If your followers and audience know you as Comedy Peter, put it down there. They also know you as Comedy P. That means P for Peter. Just input all the names that you're known for in your Instagram accounts. So guys, that's it with that. Let's go to the next one. They say there are links. Links are also optional. You can see they say add articles, social media accounts, and other links that shows that your account is in the public interest. Paid or promotional content won't be considered. So guys, if you have a YouTube channel, what you have to do is to copy the YouTube channel link and you put it here. So if you have a YouTube account, an Instagram account, a Facebook account, this is where you need to put them. You can see what is written there, link 1, link 2, link 3. So we have just 3 links. So you can put for the first one your YouTube account, the second one your TikTok account, then the fourth one your Facebook account. With this now you're good to go. If you want to add link 1, what you have to do is to tap on it. So let me tap on it. You can see here they say select a link type for social media, news article or others. So if you want to put your YouTube channel link, what you have to do is to choose the first option, which is social media. So let me tap on it. There you go ahead now to put the link down there. You can see where it is written URL. You tap on it, you can see the arrow pointing at it. Let me tap on it. Then what you have to do is to go ahead to paste the link. So guys, you can see I've pasted the link. So guys, what you have to do is to do the same for both the link 2 and the link 3. What you have to do is to go ahead to do the same for both the link 2 and the link 3. So guys, I will advise you to fill those ones that are actually optional, because I believe they will give you a higher chance of your account being verified. Because I believe the more information you give to them, then the more they are likely to verify your account. So guys, now once you're done with all of this, what you have to do is to tap on submit. See what is written down there. We will only use this information you submit to determine if your account meets our verification criteria. So guys, all the information you're going to give them down here is what is going to determine if actually your account meets their criteria for verification. So make sure the information you give them down here is actually correct. So guys, once you're done with filling all of this, what you have to do is to tap on submit. Once you tap on submit, then you have successfully applied for Instagram verification. It will be left for Instagram now to go through your information and get you verified or not. And if they don't verify you, you don't need to bother. In case you're not verified, you don't need to bother yourself at all, because you can always come back to request for verification at any time. So guys, just do like I said. I'm not going to be completing this tutorial because I don't want to apply for verification. So guys, just do like I said and you'll be able to successfully request for Instagram verification. I don't want to apply now for some reasons, but you have all the reason to apply for yourself. So guys, just make sure you apply. So guys, I've come to the end of this video, and I believe if you got value from this, if you did, make sure you like, subscribe and leave a comment. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the bell notification so that whenever I release a new video, you're gonna get notified. See you in our next upload. Bye bye. Peace.